How to log into HEB Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into HEB Career. Login in HEB Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit HEB Career, type HEB Career, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the HEB Career, scroll down and choose a job. After choosing, in the top right corner of the page, you will see log back. Click on that. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your HEB Career in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password, and if you don't have an account yet, click on create an account. Click on continue. After entering your credential, click on the continue button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. After entering your credential, you should be logged into HEB Career profile. Here you can view job posting, apply for position, update your profile information and perform other relevant tasks. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.